Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to resolve the Windows Update error code 0x80070157 that you're experiencing on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu, type in troubleshoot. Best match, should come back with troubleshoot settings. Go ahead and open that up. On the right side, underneath options, select other troubleshooters. And then underneath most frequent, select the Windows Update troubleshooter and the corresponding run option. And then hopefully at this point it would have been able to resolve the issue you're having. If you're still having a problem after attempting to check for updates again, something else we can try here as well would be to open up the search menu. Type in CMD. Best result should come back with command prompt. Go ahead and right click on that and select run as administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, select yes. And now I will have a couple commands in the description of the video here, guys. First one is the DISM scan. So go ahead and copy that and then go to the top bar of the command prompt window, right click on it, select edit and paste in the command. Again, I'm going to have in the description of my video and hit enter. And once that scan has concluded, go ahead and copy and paste the second command I'm going to have in the description of the video as well. And once that has concluded, close out of here and then restart your computer. And then hopefully at this point your problem has been resolved. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.